Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of our field-based courses, and this will be a very brief video, just kind of checking in and seeing if I can help in any way. So we are now entering week number 13. I know some courses this is week number 14 because they count the spring break, but in this course I don't. We have 14 weeks in the class, and so we don't have much more. There's not much you can do as far as your internship because, as you know, 3 credits equals 300 documented hours. And, I've been following along with what's going on with your internships, and it's a little harder to kind of follow up on the directed studies short of what you've submitted. And I just wanted to give you a final pep talk. We have 2 weeks left in the class, and there's just not much left there. So keep up the good work. I do want to mention the LSR number 2. I will have those graded in a couple, 3 days. This time of the semester is just crazy. And full disclosure, I was tied up last week prepping. I had a tenure and promotion meeting, peer review that just happened, on Thursday, and that kind of occupied a good part of my week getting ready for my dossier and everything else. But I do apologize for being a little late on the grading of this LSR number 2. It will be done in the next couple of days. So, really, what is at hand is, a couple of things. First of all, the LSR 3 is due on April 28th, and then the final product, which is your really directed study project that you've been working on, is due on May 3rd. And if you could get it to me before then, that would even be better. Those folks that are doing the internship, the final LSR is really just a little bit of a beefed up version, getting into maybe a little more detail on what the internship was, circling back to your actual proposal that you put in, looking at the learning objectives and kind of tying it all together about the experience. But at the root of it is just a reflective piece on kind of what you did, what you learned, and once again, I encourage you to go back to your final or to your proposal and tie it in with that. The more references you can make to the final, to your proposal, the better. That's really all I have this week. If there's any way that I can help, please reach out to me. I'm here. We can set up a Zoom. We could email. We could have a phone call. Whatever works best for you. This course is somewhat difficult from the standpoint that it truly is an independent course. We're all scattered wherever we are. Everybody's working on their directed study or their internship. And yes, we do have certain check-in periods and assignments, but beyond that, there's not a lot of interaction. So, if you need me for anything, feel free to contact me. Okay, everybody, I hope you have a great week. And, this is week number 13. We have week number 14 coming up, which is the final week. So really, the end of the course is just finishing up what you've been working on throughout the semester. With that said, hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see everybody online. Bye.